Oh, I get like hype for you, but them not ready yet. Make them know say I think ever ready set. Them a chat, but them never ever matter yet. Expensive clothes on your body.
Hello everybody, my name is Jynell Trail. Welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. If you are new to this channel, go ahead and click that red subscribe button down below along with your post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title of this video, I'll be doing a Christmas makeup look along with this nice little hairstyle. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, continue watching. So my hair is freshly washed and blow dried, and it's also moisturized, so I'm gonna go ahead and start doing this style. But just a little disclaimer, I would like to say that yes, I have thin 4C here, so do not come for me. So now I'm gonna go ahead and part a section from the front of my hair. And once I'm finished with this section, I'm gonna go ahead and add some oil to the scalp just to keep the scalp moisturized, because this is a protective style. Yeah, this is a protective style. So after parting that section, I'm gonna go ahead and separate the front section from the back section. Now that I have both sections separated, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the front section. So with the front section, all I will be doing, I can't even talk. All I will be doing is parting some small boxes, then I'll be connecting them one to another. I hope this video is self-explanatory because I'm not so good at explaining it, but I hope you guys see exactly what I'm talking about. Once I have my first box, I'm gonna go ahead and add some Style Factor Edge Booster Pomade or Edge Control to the perimeter of that. Then I'm gonna brush it in, then I'm gonna add my rubber band, and I'm gonna continue doing this, and you guys will see exactly what I'm talking about. When applying the rubber band, you want to make sure that you're not doing it too tight, because this will result in breakage. And for me, I already have thin 4C here, so I do not want that. So yeah. So I hope you guys understand what I was trying to say. So now I'm gonna go ahead and connect the first box that I created with the second one that you are seeing here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and continue doing that until the whole section is completed. So when you're finished, you're supposed to have something looking like this. So now I'm gonna go ahead and brush my thin edges out. Yes, I said it, I'm gonna brush them out. So to create my ponytail, I'll be using the Style Factor Edge Booster Gel. if you have reached this far in the video, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't already done so, and turn your post notification bell on so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Once my ponytail is all set, I'm gonna go ahead and go over it with the edge control, because I feel like the edge control gives it a like sleeker look, if that's even a word. Then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and do my thin baby hairs, or my thin edges, whatever you guys want to call it. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'm gonna tie it down. So now for this makeup look, I've already done a video on how I do my eyebrows, so I'll be speeding up this part. So if you guys are interested in seeing that video, I'll leave the link down below in the description box, or also in the iCard, so you can check it out. Going in with my eyeshadow palette, and I'll be taking a blending brush and applying this color as my transition color. So now I'm going in with another palette using this deeper brown, just to give it that shadow effect. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use my concealer brush, and I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of setting spray. Then I'm gonna go in with this shimmery goldish champagne-ish looking color on my crease, or my lid. So I'll be applying this eyeshadow in a cut crease effect, if that makes sense. It kind of looks like I did a cut crease, but not so much of a cut crease, if you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So all I'm doing is just following the regular crease line in my eyebrow, on my eyelid, and applying the shadow to that. So now I'm taking my liquid liner, and I'm gonna go ahead and create my wings. So now I'm gonna go in with my mascara, and I'm gonna apply that to my lash. Then I'm gonna go off camera and apply the falsies, because I feel like the falsies are the hardest thing to apply, and I get so nervous when applying them on cameras. Now I'll be taking my matte foundation in the color, or in the shade 0.8. That's the number that I saw on the bottom, so I'll be going in with that foundation. So just a little disclaimer, I do not contour, simply because I do not know how to, and I do not want to do it, and it comes out looking a hot mess, so I try not to. So I just stick to my regular foundation and highlight, and yeah. So now I'm going in with my highlighter, and I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my cheekbones, my nose bridge, and my cupid bow. So now I'm gonna go in with my lip liner in the shade Coffee, and I'm gonna go ahead and outline my lips. So now I'm going in with this wine red lip liner. I don't know what it's called, I don't know the name of it, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with that. Then I'm gonna go on top of it with my lip gloss. And that is it for my makeup. So now I'm going back to my hair. So what I'll be doing is showing you guys how I apply this here, and it's called the Cuban twist hair. I've been rocking this here since forever, so I'm gonna go ahead, because listen, it looks rusty and dusty and crusty and I don't care. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to my bun, and yeah. All I'm doing is just attaching the Cuban twist here to my bun. Then I'll be wrapping it around, creating a bigger bun and pinning that in place. So once you're finished with your bun, you can go ahead and add your ear accessories, but for me, I don't mind leaving the rubber bands out, so I'll be wearing it just like this. So now I'm gonna take this olive oil ear spray just to spray my hair to take that white cast off from the gel. Then I'll be setting my face with my LA Girl Pro setting spray, and yeah, that's it for the whole makeup look and hair. So So that is it for today's video, you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn your post notification bell on, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.